Duriel Kids TV. Let's learn and play. Hooray!
Duriel Kids TV.
Hello, friends. Welcome to our playroom.
Hi, everyone. Come and play with us.
Our tower looks amazing. Knock! Someone is at the door. Go and see who it is. Hi, Leo. I'm so happy you're here. Hi, Duriel. We came to play with you. Hello, buddy. Please come in. We did it. Our tower is so tall.
I love our tower.
That's okay. We can build it again.
Hello, everyone.
Our looks tower you have it.
That's okay. We can always build another one together. Wow, I can see you all had so much fun today. But now it's time to clean up our toys.
Wait first for Auntie McBoody.
Put toys away.
I love it.
Put toys away.
Teamwork makes it fun.
Put toys away.
Yay! Wait
Put
first
toys away. Put toys away.
for Auntie McBoody.
Clean up time is done. Put toys away.
Yay!
Thank you for playing with us. It's time for us to go home now. Bye.
Bye next time. Bye, Leah.
Bye.